Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the Temu Bandwagon Collab. That's right, we have put together a bandwagon of channels that will bring you Temu hauls. And I am so excited about this. I hope you will enjoy it. We each were to order 10 items. Now the budget was whatever your budget is. You could choose any 10 items that you want to present, and each channel will show these items. Now, who is in this wonderful bandwagon? And I want to thank all the ladies for participating. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will tell you, we have quite the creators in this collaboration. We have Jessie Miller Unboxing and More. We have Kiki with Kiki's Cracker Jack. We have Bonnie with Bonnie's Bargain. We have Kim's Happy Place with Kim, of course. And we have Tea Time Adventures, and that is Teresa. We have Arlene with Unboxing with Arlene. We have Katie with Katie's Corner of the World. We have Tracy with Tracy and Chloe Unboxing, Beauty, and More. And we have Mary Catherine Loves Cats. We also have on board Laura Wooten Reviews, and of course Miss Jackie Russell. And that should come up to 11 channels. That's right, we have 11 channels, and we're going to try to keep these videos short and sweet. And I would like to thank Tracy. Now, she did our bandwagon collab ad and our thumbnails, and she did such a wonderful job. I told her my idea and she just ran with it, and as usual, she did spectacular. Thank you, Tracy. I appreciate you so much, and I know everyone else does too, and I appreciate all the ladies that are on board the Temu bandwagon. This is my Temu. And let's look inside here and see what I got. I got 10 items, and that's what everybody is to do. You're also to rate as not as a competition, but just as fun. Rate our purchases 1 to 10. And at the end, guess what? We're having a giveaway. That's right. Hang on tight, because we will have a giveaway on each channel. So what was my first item? My first item is something for your office, and this ran $3.68, and it's pink, my favorite color, and it says Expressions on there, and that's the series. I'm not sure if that's some designer over there in China or not, but if you're not familiar with Temu, they have lots of things, and I mean, like, it ranges from all kinds of items, from gardening to pets, kitchen, office, clothes, all kinds of things. And I'm going to try to show you a little bit of variety, including makeup and beauty. They have everything pretty much at Temu. It's like a big Amazon store. But this is a file folder, so this would be perfect for anyone that needs to keep track of documents. If you have 2 or 3 children and you want to keep some important documents on each one in here. In my case, I have puppies, so I might want to keep important information about my puppies and or other business information. But I thought this was really nice, and you can actually file it because it's the size of a file folder. So it's very nifty, very handy. Now the next item I got was $2.68, and it is a pet bed. This is the medium size, and I got it in purple with pink and yellow and gray, and it's pretty good size, I would say. As you can see, it is a medium. It's very soft, and it was $2.68. And I've already gotten a couple of these for my pets, so I got some more because I have several. And, you know, I won't say they don't like to share, but they'd rather have their own. The next item that I have is for your hair, and it's clips, and they were like $1.78. I'm just going to get one out for now, but this is a brown one just to show you what it looks like. And you just clip it, and it feels pretty good actually as far as quality. For $1.68, I think that's a pretty good price, and it's gonna hold my hair really good. Now I did get the brown, there's a black and an off-white. So we have these 3 clips that we got for $1.68. Great price. I mean, even at Dollar Tree, that'd be $1.25 each, or if you got 2 on one by any chance, then it would be $1.25 that way. But I just say it's a great buy from Temu. Now my next item is in this box, and it is a storage box. It was $2.88, It calls it a storage box, but I say it's a lipstick holder, and I'm sure you could hold other things in there, like maybe perfume sticks or lip glosses, maybe little tubes of hand lotion. I'm gonna have this probably by my desk, or my bathroom. But it's really sturdy and it's really thick glass, and it was $2.88. I think that's an awesome buy. What do you think? Now, my next item I'm pulling out of here is I got me another gnome, and this gnome was $3.68, and I got him because I love sunflowers, and I liked that he had that on his head, and this will carry me through spring, and it doesn't have to be any particular holiday. So there's no rabbit ears on this guy, and looky there, he's got him a cute little ladybug in yellow on his toe. Ha! That's so cute. $3.68, and it's pretty fluffy, and it's stuffed pretty good. So I think that's a cute thing, and it's kind of a lime green. I guess that's showing through there. So that was $3.68. My next item I'm pulling out of here is something for your skin, and it is turmeric face cream. And this here was $2.88. And I've got a correction on the oversized square hair pieces for your putting up your hair, clipping your hair. It's $1.28, not $1.68. And let me get this off of here real quick so we can see what we have. I will say they package this stuff up really good. This is face cream. It's organic brightening cream. Do you ever use turmeric? I use it in cooking all the time. I also take it. It's good for inflammation and arthritis, and I figured it'd be good for my skin. And let's take a look at this. I will say the jar, it is sealed. It looks like it may have leaked just a little bit in transit. And you can see it is orange. So that was the turmeric brightening cream. And it looks like it does have turmeric in it because it was orange. So that's a good thing. That's a good sign that it's actually got the organic turmeric in there. Now the next item I got is a sports bra for $3.99. And actually Kim of Kim's Happy Place is the one that got me to order one of these. She said they're so comfortable that she's already ordered more. Well, I ordered one so I could see how it is, and I got mine in black. And it's nice fabric. It's got a little bit of a padding in there for comfort. And it's nice and stretchy. And I hope it's as comfortable as she says that it is. For her, it is. So I know it is for her. I hope it is for me, too. But I got black, and it was $3.99. Do you know how much those kind of bras cost in the U.S.? Everything is just so much more. And talking about more, I got me some foot pads. This here is natural, absorbs toxins and impurity. It's 100% natural and vegan friendly. And foot pads, for 10 of them, usually run around $14 to $20 in the U.S. This was $3.79. So another great buy. You just take the pads and you put them on your feet at night when you're sleeping, and it draws out the toxins out of your body. And it's kind of like a natural detox. It improves blood circulation and metabolism, expels excess fluids and toxins, relieves fatigue and stress, promotes healthy sleep and relaxation, and helps relieve pain and swelling. So yeah, I look forward to using those, and if they work good like I expect them to, I'll be ordering some more. Now my next item that I got was some more clothes, and this was a package of underwear. This is a package of 5, and they're cotton underwear for $6.69, and that's an excellent buy. And I got a large, I think is what I got. It's got a little bit of lace on the side. Yeah, I got a large, and they've got multicolor. So we have black, we have an orangey color, orangey beige, a white pair, a pink pair, and a gray pair. And I just thought that was a great buy for $6.69. Now, the very last item that I got, and that was 5 in that packet, I got me a t-shirt. And I've been loving my shirts that I get from them. And I got the extra large in this one because I wanted it to be real roomy. But isn't that pretty? And it says faith on there. I like it with the butterflies. That's really pretty. So those are my 10 items. The t-shirt, the cotton underwear, the file for my office, my foot pad, the turmeric face cream, the lipstick holders, what I'm going to call it, 3 clips for $1.28. I got my little gnome with the daisy and the little beetle on there, the little yellow beetle. And I got my doggy blanket, and I got my black sports bra. So those were my 10 items. Now to the giveaway. You must be 18 years or older. You must have an address within the continental USA. You must be subscribed to all 11 channels. And my giveaway is going to be a Temu giveaway. So we're going to see more items from Temu, and you are going to get all of the items in this box right here. What are you going to get in this giveaway? You're going to get this butterfly that you can use as a keychain. Very pretty, and it's inspirational. You're going to get this little quad eyeshadow. You're going to get some lip balm, vitamin C moisturizing, it says. You're going to get 500 thank yous with little kitty cats on there. Isn't that cute? You're going to get this bracelet, I guess for your moods and your aura. You're going to get this little adhesive shelf that you could put, it's got the adhesive pad right here, and you can connect that like to your wall or your mirror in your bathroom, and you can put like little Q-tips or lipsticks or whatever you like in there. You're going to get some nails, and this is kind of a green, a dark forest green bluish color. So you're going to get those. And this here is a storage container. It clips completely down. You can't see it. I'm going to leave it intact, but it snaps down, and you could put earrings in there. You could put crafting beads in there, just whatever that you want to organize and have put away, and it be snug and tight. You're going to get a facial mask, and you're going to get this little bag to hold brushes or small items that you would put down in there. So that is also going to be in this giveaway. And I think, if I'm correctly, I showed you 10, and I'm giving 10 items from Temu. So you're getting this, the mask, the storage container, the nails, another storage container for lipsticks or lip glosses. You're going to get the thank you stickers, the eyeshadow, the butterfly, the bracelet, and the lip balm. And that is my giveaway. What word do you have to use? Well, let's use Temu. Why not? T-E-M-U. Use that code word in the description, and you will be entered into my giveaway, and I will get your package out as soon as possible. And YouTube and or Temu or any other sponsored product that I've shown are not affiliated with this giveaway. That is all I have for this Temu Bandwagon collab. We all hopped on board, and I hope you enjoyed what we've got. And be sure and check my descriptions for any other details and our collaborations that might be current. And as far as Temu and hopping on the bandwagon, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.